I just unlocked your next evolution of shared mailing. And if you're a 9x12er or run a marketing agency, this is the platform that you have been waiting for. I just built ourlocalspotlight.com, link is in the description, and it's totally free for you to join and become a partner of our nationwide Spotlight campaign. No more days of people asking, are you legitimate? Like, are you even a human? Gone are the days of people thinking you're just a fly-by-night side hustler, because now you can be seen alongside dozens and hundreds of other partners all around the country who are also doing 9x12 postcards. Now the proof is in the pudding. Businesses will know that you're legit. Businesses will know that this business model is legit. And your potential prospects will have that much more trust in you. And again, it's totally free for you to become a partner. And let me be clear to you, this is just the first evolution. This platform is going to change things for you dramatically over the next year. And I'll get more into that later. So first, when you come to the homepage, it basically just does the selling for you. So this is somewhere that you could send potential prospects. You could have the link to this in your email signature or things like that. And it basically just does the selling, explains that we're all over the country doing this. Again, you're not just a fly-by-night side hustler anymore. And it just does the selling for you as a landing page. But then this is where things get cool. The prospect can see spotlights near me, and this is actually going to show all of our national partners on an interactive map. So we can go through and you see there's stars and there's circles, and these are all our partners. And you can see some people have already signed up. We have Alyssa in Northern Staten Island who signed up. When you send this link to prospects, they see that we're all over the country. They trust you that much more. And again, you can sign up right now. And you should as soon as you finish watching this video. That way you can claim your territory before somebody else does. Now let me be clear. As you can see, there's stars and there's circles, and there's a reason for that. That's because when you apply, you're going to be asked to join for free, completely free, which would make you a circle pin, or you're going to be asked if you want a landing page, which is $33 per month. It's basically standard website hosting, except you actually get to be built into this platform as a national partner. So you'll see why it's worth it in a second. But again, if you just wanted the pin, the circle pin, it's totally free. And this is what it would look like. For example, Edward over here got a pin for free just by filling out the application, and it pulls up his contact information when the partner finds him. So when a local business finds this platform and is looking for a spotlight near them, they can just search for their location. Let's say they happen to be in Kingston. They find that Edward has a spotlight running in Kingston, and they click it, and they can actually reach out to him right from there. I don't add any barriers there. They just call directly to you. They can call or email. And you can even link your website, all totally free. Now here's where it gets even better. Let's say you wanted a landing page to give yourself even more authority and to have a specific place to send prospects that's customized to your location. This is what would give you a star. So when you go to partner application, you would say that you want a landing page. And again, it's only $33 a month. So it's basically the cost of website hosting anyway. So let's take a look at one of our partners who joined. Trina, she actually went with the landing page in Grove City, Ohio. So you can see that she has a custom landing page that comes from her star pin. And as you can tell, you get a star if you opt to purchase the landing page, so you stick out just that much more. So she has a custom landing page for Grove City, shows the mailboxes it's going to. It's literally the sales page that she can send her prospects to, and is connected to this national platform to give her true credibility rather than just being a fly-by-night side hustler. It does all the job of selling the prospect, of course, and then of course is inquire buttons everywhere, which goes directly to her contact information, and even a call now or email now button. And it also breaks down the exact zip codes that it's going to. It breaks down the target zones with a custom picture, and also you can put in custom testimonials. Now that's the landing page, and it came straight from her pin. Now here's what I see for the future. In the future, we're going to start ranking this website. So you guys are going to be linking things back to this website all the time. We're going to start getting real traffic to this website, and it's going to start ranking higher in Google until the point where it's actually going to naturally show up when people search like advertising in Grove City, for example. It's going to naturally show up, and that means organic traffic. That means organic traffic that is searching for advertising is now going to see this platform, and they're going to be able to search for spotlights near me and find your pin in their location. So this is why I'm saying you should probably claim your spot ASAP, because this is going to be super powerful for you. Now here's the thing. To be fair to the people who are actually willing to really stomp their flag down and get a landing page for their location, landing pages take priority. So like I said, you can get a free pin and just have this contact info pop up. But if somebody else wanted to join in Kingston, Ontario, and they were willing to put down a landing page and really claim that location, they would take priority. And Edward, I'm sorry, but your pin would probably go away because it's a free pin. So landing pages take priority. That's another reason I recommend just grabbing one while you can, because this is going to be powerful. Here's what else I see for the future. Very soon, I'm going to start creating organic content. Might even create another YouTube channel to promote our local spotlight, where I'll actually bring some of you guys on and you guys can sell the beauty of shared mailers. And we're going to grow this thing so that we start to get organic traffic that is coming and reaching out directly to you guys so you guys can make more sales, not from prospecting, but from people actually reaching out to you. This is why the more people that we add, the more of you that join, the better off we are. We are now truly working together as a team to get the idea of the shared mailer out there. So there's going to be organic content, but not only organic content, but eventually I'm going to start running ads, specifically in clusters. For example, we have a lot of different partners in North Carolina. So I might decide to make an ad campaign, in Google ad campaign, or a Facebook ad campaign, or YouTube ad campaign to actually send traffic to these landing pages. So if you have a landing page, I might just send traffic to you, because if you win, I win. And here's the other benefit of joining while you still can and grabbing a landing page so that nobody can knock you out. When you have a landing page, you are exclusive. Nobody else can knock you out of that location for as long as you're subscribed to the landing page. But also, you're discouraging competitors from trying to go into your location. So if competitors come on here and they see that you're already working in Charleston, South Carolina, they're going to be less likely and less enticed to go try to do a 9x12 postcard in Charleston. So if you claim your territory, people will see that you're already in that territory. They're not going to want to have to compete with you. They'll go find somewhere in Wyoming where there is no competition, all right? So there's just so many benefits of joining this. Again, you could join for free, but I recommend getting into that landing page now so you don't unfortunately get knocked out or something, because I would honestly feel really bad about that, but I have to be fair to everybody. So yeah, all you have to do is go to the partner application, fill out the partner application. It'll take you like 2 minutes. You'll decide if you want a landing page or not. And then I'll get your pin and your landing page stomped down, and I'll reach out to you when it's all complete. Comment down below or message me or email me if you have any questions. Again, the link is in the description. It's ourlocalspotlight.com. Can't wait to see you guys' pins start to pop up, and let's keep winning together.